Did you know that 90% of options expire worthless, yet smart investors still use them to build massive wealth? Here's the secret they don't want you to know. While most people buy options hoping to hit it big, the real money makers do the opposite. They sell options to collect premium income every single month. Think of it like being the casino instead of the gambler. When you sell a covered call on stocks you already own, you get paid up front. If the stock stays below your strike price, you keep the premium in your shares. If it goes above, you sell at a profit plus keep the premium. Either way, you win. The best part, you can do this over and over again. Some investors generate thousands of dollars monthly just from selling options on their existing stock portfolio. It's like collecting rent from your investments. This strategy works in any market condition and requires stocks you probably already own. The key is starting small, learning the basics, and scaling up as you gain confidence. Your portfolio could be generating income by next week.